Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how to get totals and subtotals in matrix. Okay, in order to get totals and subtotals in matrix, I am trying to pull here a matrix here. Okay, I'm just selecting this visual. Okay, I got it here. Okay, let me drag it here. Then I'm trying to get category. Okay, category into rows and subcategory and sales. Okay, let me just tag it here. Okay, I got it here. Okay, so you can see it, right? Now you can see here the total, right? The total value sum of sales. Okay, this is how you will be able to get totals in matrix. Okay, in order to get subtotals for each of the table, okay, each of the matrix, you have to click here. Okay, expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay, you have to click this option. Okay, then only you will be able to get this subtotal. Okay, so in some of the business meetings your manager might ask, just show me subtotals. Okay, in that scenarios you can use this option. Okay, I'm just trying to click. Okay, if he or she wanted to see what is the subtotal for furniture. Okay, okay, then you'll be able to use this option. Okay, I'm just clicking on this. Okay, the summary. Okay, summary, how you have got this 7. Okay, 7 change. Okay, so for that subtotal summarization you can use this option. Okay, let me do some slicing and dicing part. Okay, here in order to do slicing and dicing part, as we discussed earlier, we have to go to this. Okay, format your visual. Okay, go to this general option. You can just put some title if you want. Okay, let me change the values here. Okay, as of now we have created for rows, right? So that was the reason I'm just selecting here rows. Okay, I'm just trying to change the font here. Okay, let me take this Lucida. Okay, I'm just trying to change this, and then text color I'm just putting it as white. Okay, and background color as black. Okay, background color, let me put it, okay, blue. Okay, or else let's change the color to blue and then let's put it in white. Okay, so that you will be able to see. Okay, clear properly. Okay, let me put the alignment as in the middle. Okay, I'm just trying to put it here. Okay, and then let me go to the values and try to do some other slicing and dicing part. Okay, let me change this to this font. Okay, I'm just trying to change. Okay, let me put the background colors. Okay, text tab is on. Okay, likewise whatever you want you can just change. Okay, I'm just trying to change row grand total. Okay, I'm just trying to put this as pink. Okay, this is the grand total, right? You should have to show it, right, in highlighted. So that was the reason I'm just putting it in red. Okay, I have kept it in red. Okay, let me put it in focus mode so that you'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, so you have got the summary. Okay, like you by seeing this visual you'll be able to say, like for office supplies you have got this number, and if a manager want to visualize what are the office supplies, okay, what are the sales we have got, you can just tell them appliances, so and so, art, binders, envelopes, fasteners, labels, paper, like that, like whatever the data you have. Okay, you can just let them know by showing up this report. Okay, so that you will be able to create some change. Okay, the look and feel should be good. Okay, then only it will looks good, right? So just try to do that. Okay. So you can also have a look on this. Okay, you can just increase the fontings also. Okay, if you want. Okay, just try the fontings also. You can just play with the this visuals. Okay. And is it is as per your creativity, you can just create it. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. I request you to please subscribe, that will help us, okay, a lot. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.